Hi, I'm OP Singh and you're watching Filmy Buzz with OP. Welcome to my channel. And this time it is Karan Johar and G Studios Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl. It will stream on Netflix Tuesday 9th of June 2020. It has been declared that Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl will be streaming on Netflix. Friends, you know that who is Gunjan Saxena? She is the first woman warrior of Indian Air Force who was in Kargil War. Saxena was from a family where his father was in army and his brother was also in army. She graduated from Hansraj College, Delhi, and decided to join Indian Air Force. And it was welcomed by his family. In 1994, Gunjan Saxena along with Sri Vidya Rajan was among the 25 women pilots who formed the first batch of trainee pilots in Indian Air Force. Times were tough then. Male-dominated army were hesitant to let females into army. Those females got selection. There was a long way to go and to prove themselves. And all the ladies, all the females were very keen to prove themselves that they are as good as men. Gunjan Saxena and Sri Vidya Rajan were looking for some opportunity when they can prove their ability, and they got an opportunity in 1999 when a war with Pakistan broke out over Kargil. Gunjan Saxena was given a task for medical evacuation, supply drop and location of Pakistani army in North Kashmir. And it was a danger zone, a war zone, and Pakistani army were shooting anything, practically anything to anything, any plane, any helicopter and anything. Gunjan Saxena successfully went in and out several times, taking the injured army personals, and in one occasion Pakistani army has fired a rocket on Gunjan Saxena's chopper, and luckily she escaped. She was a brave girl. She and Sri Vidya Rajan both were. Although Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena and Sri Vidya Rajan, she was also Flight Lieutenant, they never flew a fighter jet. Or you can say they never got an opportunity to fly or flew a fighter jet. They were given cheetah helicopter, which were not fully equipped with arms and ammunition. It was simple and helicopter, which they flew. The Hindi movie Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, is a biopic of Gunjan Saxena, the Flight Lieutenant of Indian Air Force who took short service commission, and after 7 years he got retirement. Gunjan Saxena's biopic impressed Karan Johar a lot, and he decided to make a movie in 2018. Janhvi Kapoor is in a lead role. She is the pilot. She is playing Gunjan Saxena, and Pankaj Tripathi is playing her father, and Angad Bedi is also there in the movie. This movie is now will stream on Netflix. It is sure. It is decided. Soon you can see, soon you can watch this movie on Netflix. One thing the people, the public would like to know from Karan Johar, if he is releasing his movie to OTT platform on Netflix, whether he will release all his movie on OTT platform. because I read somewhere that Karan Johar said that I stood with the theatre owners. I stood with the theatres and I will not release my movie on OTT platform. So people are also expecting that these big movies will also release or stream on OTT platform. I don't know whether Karan Johar is going to stream big movies also on OTT platform and these OTT players, whether it is Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Hotstar or ZEE5, they will pay him such a big or huge amount which his movie will earn on theatre. While the big movies of big production houses like Dharma Productions and others are being released on theatre, they are earning in crores, 100 crores to 300 crores like this. But I don't think any OTT player will give such a big amount for the movie. Although the Lakshmi Bomb has already been sold to OTT platform and it will be streaming on Disney Hotstar, and it is learned that the cost was 125 crores for Lakshmi Bomb of Akshay Kumar. I don't know whether Karan Johar is going to release his upcoming movie Takht to OTT platform. I don't think so. He will not release it. But is this movie, this Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl, has been sold the right to Netflix and it is going to be released on Netflix. This movie you can watch on Netflix. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.